Alright guys, it is finally time. It is warm outside. The birds are out. I just saw a hummingbird and we're ready to make over our outdoor area. Right now, it's not looking top tier. You know what I mean? It's not looking its best. So we are going to take it one step at a time because conquering the whole outdoor area would be a lot. I mean, Rome wasn't built in a day, so neither will our outside area be. So today we are going to tackle our leaning mailbox and that area, make it a little more colorful and inviting. And then we have a very sad looking planter in our front yard that we're gonna add some color in, make it more exciting, bring in those bees. I'm pretty excited because it's our whole front yard area, and I think it's gonna really transform what our place looks like. And I'm just so excited to go to the plant store. I mean, you hit 30 and you just enjoy being at the plant store, because I have a lot of fun. And I love looking at all the colors. So join us as we update our front yard, hopefully successfully, because there's a few things that we're gonna do that we've never done before, and it's a little questionable. Let's say foam is involved. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to another edition of Should We Clean or Should We Just Get It Good Enough to where we can get the thing that we need and then put it back and act like everything's working as it should. We chose get things out of the way and get it working as it should. And then we're gonna mix it for 15 seconds. And then you're gonna cut on that line. And we're just gonna pour it in there. And then it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to like be fully cured. So we don't need to leave this out here long. Or not fully cured, but hardened.
Okay.
And it's about 2 hours to fully cure.
So we didn't get a lot of footage of us doing the mailbox here because our neighbors joined and it was pretty windy, so that made it pretty interesting. But it was very simple. You just poured in there, we waited a few minutes, and then we went ahead and sawed off the extra. And the mailbox is pretty sturdy, so this worked out really well.
Alrighty, so, the mailbox set is done. We're gonna beautify it. Went with a bit of a theme, purple and gold. Really like these guys. Is nice deep purple. They're called Johnny Flames. It is my dad's name, and he was an ECU fan, so we're like, we gotta roll. We got these Nemesias, however you pronounce those, in sunshine. We also got them in bumbleberry, and then we figured this would look sweet, and it's called lemonade. So it's kind of like a little transition.
Ombre.
Yep. And then the white, figured just a good little accent. So we're gonna do a little gradient here. Not gonna be perfect, but we'll see. Disclaimer, we're kind of throwing proper spacing out the window because we don't have a lot of space and we already bought all these plants, so we're rolling with it. And for the foam, we've had it set for maybe 30 minutes. Pan down. Pretty good.
As you can see here, the soil was very difficult to shovel out. So Wayne was a trooper. He did most of it, and it did take us a little while because it was mostly rock and gravel. But here we are.
Quick interruption here. If you are enjoying all of the flower content, don't do it for us, obviously. Do it for all the pretty flowers. Then like and subscribe this video, or if you're interested in seeing our whole backyard transformation, we've got a lot of projects coming up. Remember to subscribe because you wouldn't want to miss us either failing at making our yard look nice or maybe potentially making it look good. We appreciate you.
On to the next project, the front planter.
We've got a worm. Lots of worms.
You can probably tell already, I'm not an expert planter, but trying to choose how to lay out something is very difficult. So at a certain point, you just have to go with it and commit.
Don't worry, no worms were harmed in the making of this film. Oh wait, except for the gummy kind. All right, we've got the major ones planted. I know it looks a little wonky. We had to save our old one. That one needs to figure it out. And then we have our lemon thyme, little white flowers. I'll tell you all the names later. I'm not a planting expert. I know that these probably need more space around them, but I want it to look pretty. So now we have some more space here. So we have a few things we can fill it with. We've got these that come into small little containers. So I'm thinking I'll just kind of fill up these spaces and we'll be good. So let's do that. Last little piece. My Nana lives right here with all the purple because she loved purple. All right, that's what we have so far.
That is it for this week. I'm so excited. We already have bees visiting us, and I'm very excited for the projects to come. Thank you for watching.